morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Children, do you know the vegetables are very healthy to our body? So, if you want to grow, then eat all vegetables. Okay, do you know we can use vegetables for painting also? No? So let's go for today's activity. It's vegetable printing, and in this activity you will learn that how we can use vegetables for painting. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वेजिटेबल प्रिंटिंग. I will use 4 vegetables for this activity today. Here I have bitter gourd, onion, ladyfinger and lemon, and the pastel colors and painting brush. सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ लूंगी लेमन. First of all, cut the lemon into 2 pieces. Color the one piece of lemon yellow with the help of painting brush like this. इस तरह से बच्चों पेंटिंग ब्रश की हेल्प से लेमन को येलो कलर करना है and give the impression of lemon on this scrapbook. इसके बाद ऐसे ग्रीन कलर को यूज करते हुए इस टाइप से स्टेम्स बनाएंगे. अब सेकंड पेंटिंग हम करेंगे अनियन के साथ. सो आई हैव कट द अनियन इनटू 2 पीसेस एंड हियर आई हैव द हाफ अनियन. अब हम इसे ब्रश की हेल्प से रेड कलर करेंगे. I will leave this center portion blank. Like this. And give the impression of onion. Now fill the center portion with yellow color. Look, now it's looking very beautiful flower. Nice. Now I will use the bitter gourd. Firstly, I will cut it into 2 pieces like this and make blank portion here. ब्रश की हेल्प से बिटर गार्ड के इस पोर्शन को हम कलर करेंगे. इस एक्टिविटी में मैं ऑरेंज कलर यूज कर रही हूँ. Now I will take lady fingers to make flowers. For this activity I will use these two colors, green and red. Color this part of lady finger with brush like this and give the impression on scrapbook like this with second brush and the another lady finger. Here I will color it with red and give the impressions of lady finger around this green color impression like this. So we can make a beautiful flower with lady fingers like this. Again color this first lady finger green, give impression here both sides, and again make flower with red color. Look, now beautiful bunch of flowers is ready. It's looking amazing. My dear students, do you know on 21st June it's Father's Day? So now I will tell you how you can make a greeting card for your father. Let's give them a surprise. Okay, let's start. For it, you have to take two A4 sheets and fold them like this. Both sheets you have to fold, and after that make a cut on one sheet like this. After making a cut, we will make two curves here, one from this side and one from second side. Now we will paste this folded paper with help of glue gun from the other side. Also we will paste it like this. Now I will paste these beautiful stones on this greeting to make it more beautiful. Like this, you can see how I am pasting the stones on it. You also have to do this at home for your father. अब हम ग्रीटिंग की 3 साइड्स को भी इसी तरह स्टोन से डेकोरेट करेंगे. Now it will looks very nice. You can see. Now with these two papers I have made a beautiful flower. To make this greeting more beautiful, I will paste this flower here. See, now it's looking amazing. Now I will use this second paper. We have to keep it inside this blue card, and here we will write Happy Father's Day. In beautiful handwriting you have to write here Happy Father's Day. Here inside the card, now I will make the design with ladyfinger printing. So let's start. We will start it with green color. On these two corners we will make impression of ladyfingers like this. Here I will make a bunch of flowers with stems. Here on this last corner we can write the name like from your daughter or son and with your name. So this beautiful card for your father is ready. Look here. Let them leave for dry, and after that you can fold it and keep it inside this blue card. So students, try it at home. Bye bye, take care.